A Lion Behind the Door. Written by Yoon Ah-hae. Illustrated by Cho Won-hee. Daniel Stone Kids Publishing. Everyone has a lion outside their door. There isn't a single life without a lion. Not even one.
There's a lion outside the door. I'm scared of lions. There's a lion outside the door. There's a lion outside the door. I'm scared of lions. There's a lion outside the door. That's why I can't go out. There's a lion outside the door. But still, I want to go out. Lions have big, sharp teeth. Lions have big, sharp teeth. I can't become a piece of meat, easy to chew. Lions also have sharp claws. Lions also have sharp claws. I can't get caught by those claws. There's a lion outside the door. I'm too scared to go outside. There's a lion outside the door. If I don't go outside because I'm scared, I can't do anything. If I never go through that door, I'll never know what's out there, or what the world is really like. I want to see the big, wide world. I want to know what's out there. I can't just hide inside forever. There's a lion outside the door. Why is it prowling like that? Is it going to gobble me up? Oh no! Why is it prowling like that? Is it hungry? Then maybe this is my chance. What should I do? Smells nice, smells yummy. What should I do? Here, eat this. Now's my chance. Yahoo! I finally made it outside. Wait, a bear? Now how do I deal with this? I want to go out too. But it's that lion, that's why I can't go outside.